Alright, so me and my cat are gonna tell you a story. One second. Well, it's not a story, it's a dream, but I had a dream yesterday. Just think of it. I had a dream yesterday, and you were in it, and my cat wants to roll on me, but I don't know, it was a weird dream, and you just texted me. LOL, okay. Very generic. My cat just sneezed on you. Anyways, like I was saying, I had a dream that we were bike riding down a long street for an ow, no reason. Quit sneezing on me. What the fuck is wrong with you? Anyways, I can't even finish my story. We were bike riding down the street, and I guess I'll save the rest for later.